When we're talking about Jeunesse products, we're talking about, world-class products. We manufacture to meet our customers' expectations, and Jeunesse has a world-class reputation, and therefore we have to have a world-class manufacturing facility.
The production and quality that we put into the Jeunesse line is top-notch. We devote 100% of everything that we have to ensure that we have the best quality product for Jeunesse.
We work on a daily basis to ensure that our products are efficacious, pure, and they work every single time.
We have a lot of Jeunesse products. We have a lot of lines running. Basically, the intellectual property comes from Jeunesse as to what they want us to make, and we make it exactly the way they want. And then we give it to them to give it to the world.
The quality control process here is very rigorous and very important.
All of our products are tested when they're brought into the facility, then they're tested again through the blend process, and then once again through the finished goods process.
When the raw materials come in, we do inspection, and then we test to make sure that it meets the specification that has been laid out by Jeunesse.
We then manufacture the product. We put everything in the tank in a particular order to make sure everything reacts the way it's supposed to.
And after mixing them, we have a critical control point.
The blends are then tested in our QC laboratory.
Only the product that is of the highest quality and that product that would have passed and met all the set specifications is the product that will ship out to the market.
We have a variety of certifications here, NSF, NSF for Sport, Informed Choice, Halal, Kosher.
What Halal requires us to use certain raw materials and to be able to assure we are excluding certain ingredients.
These certifications just reinforce our daily commitment to producing the best product we can.
I'm proud to be at a facility that takes such tremendous pride in the quality of products that they put out. The innovation that we have in creating something that is then distributed worldwide.
I'm most proud of being able to be innovative and create new products. It's fun to be able to create a product and then see it in the market.
I can stand tall and assure the world and assure Jeunesse that the product that they're receiving is what they're expecting. We can meet or exceed their expectations, and we can produce a safe product, and we can produce a quality product.
I get to work with a company who truly cares about their customers and who is trying to make the world a healthier place and bringing these products to people across the globe. It's phenomenal. I enjoy very much working with them.